The city's COVID-era eviction protections are among the longest running in the country. Reporting from LA City Hall, Natalie Davidian, KNX News 97.1 FM.
For the first time in 5 years, LA is about to open the wait list for Section 8 housing. That's the program for very low-income people that has the city paying a portion of their rent directly to landlords. Online registration will begin at 6 in the morning on October 17th and end on the 30th. There'll be 30,000 available rental vouchers for more than 365,000 applicants to sign up. Section 8 recipients will be chosen by a lottery. An LA City Council member offering a final round of rent relief to some tenants in his district.
Councilmember is using $3 million from his discretionary funds to help out those who are still behind on rent as the eviction ban comes to an end.
Both tenants and landlords will be able to apply for, we're talking about the bogus term, small mom-and-pop landlords.
So Farrell, District 13 stretches from Hollywood in the west to Westell Park in the east. It includes Rampart Village, parts of Central LA, and Echo Park. It's aimed to help low-income residents.
Your household of two will qualify if your yearly income is up to $70,000.
Applications start on the 24th. Each household can get up to $5,000 for rent. Emily Valdez, KNX News 97.1 FM.
LA County DA says the large number of local election workers' addresses and social security numbers have been handled by a software vendor.
The software company goes by the name of Canix. They've had a contract to handle here in Los Angeles County. District Attorney George Gascon says that the personal information was illegally stored on servers based in China.
Specifically, the contract required by U.S. law. The personal information of those people that are working in the U.S. Storing this information outside the U.S. is a crime.
Several times, Gascon said that he has nothing to do with election procedures, nothing to do with vote counting, and he says there is no evidence that the personal information has been used to commit any crime. In downtown Los Angeles, 97.1 FM.
Studio City is 101 south of Lancaster during the problem.
Help protect yourself with IQWare's Health Pro Plus. Fashion choice for pharmacists. And for a limited time, use promo code RADIO. Visit IQR.com/US. That's IQR.com/US. Pressure, anxiety meds, everyone's on them. If you're a 50-year-old male, maybe you've been trained with type 2 diabetes, $1 million of term insurance may only cost you about Call Term Provider. Speak with Big Lou at 800-777-79. Big Lou will find a term life policy for you even if you have type 2 diabetes or overweight or have high blood pressure. Term Providers help thousands of people like you who think they can't afford term life insurance. To buy $1 million of affordable term life for you, all you need to do is call Big Lou at 800-777-1979. Lou will make sure the scales are tipped in your favor. Call 800-777-1979. Big Lou will answer your call and work to fit you into a term life policy that you can afford. Remember, Big Lou's like you. He's on meds too. Call 800-777-1979. 800-777-1979. My hair, my tan, my abs. I celebrate Inner Beauty Day by celebrating my outer beauty. Woohoo for me! And now, the top 5 reasons to visit Morocco. Number 5.
Keep the souvenir glass when you buy a beer at Sci-Fi. Mondays and Tuesdays. And keep the good times memories you make, too.
Number 4.
Wear your best side bet. You can win up to $5,000 in cash with our Lucky Blackjack side bet.
3.
Play and dine. Play your favorite slots with your reward card and earn up to $100 for dining at the marketplace.
Number 2.
Let the games begin giveaway. Get a Teflon 10-inch fry pan when you earn 500 points on your reward card. The 10th or 11th.
And the number 1 reason.
Comedian Leanne Morgan. Live October 29th. Get your tickets now.
Morongo Casino Resort and Spa. Morongo. Good time. Are you sick and tired of keeping up with the wild financial market swings, a global pandemic, supply chain issues, inflation? We are living in turbulent times. Welcome to the new normal. You have worked hard for your money, and it's not unreasonable to want a reliable return while having no market risk. So please listen to me closely. Let me introduce you to my friends at Reliant Capital. They can deliver a 10 to 12% return on your investment, and all IRAs and 401k rollovers are eligible. I challenge you to make the call and set up a no-obligation phone consultation. Call 800-788-1000. That's 800-788-1000. And possibly get the double-digit returns Warren Buffett has been earning for years. Remember the first rule of making money. Don't lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Be like the thousands of listeners over the past decade who have made the call to Reliant Capital. Call now. Consultations book up quickly. 800-788-1000. That's 800-788-1000. 97.1 FM, 70 AM, Alexa, Facebook, Instagram. Wherever you are, 97.1 FM.
Everything you need every time you listen.
12:15, and I'm Bob Brill. Coming up on KNX News, 97.1 FM. LA task force to stop at home invasions and follow home robberies is having success. Doors sent sales to the selected vehicles tripled last month.
I'm Margaret Ferrero in downtown LA with the latest on closing arguments in the sex abuse trial of a former UCLA gynecologist.
The stories in the next 15 minutes. But first, we're checking traffic. And we're checking weather and all that together with Sunday.
We've got a new location for this overturned vehicle. It was being reported on the 101 at Lancaster. This actually may be on the 134 west at Lancaster. And that is a vehicle on its side. It is overturned. So the 134 west at Lancaster, you've got emergency crews headed there right now. In Sherman Oaks, northbound 405 connector to North 101 is currently closed. You will see some caltrans work in lanes between Tarzana and Encino. And looks like they're working on both sides of the freeway. North in Arleta, 5 north connector to the 118 is currently shut down. We do have some road work in Baldwin Park as you head eastbound on the 10 from 605 over to Francisquito. Looks like they shut down a couple of lanes. The East 10, and this is in Boyle Heights, East 10 connector is fully closed to the northbound 5, and you do have some lanes closed in Fountain Valley. This is going to be the southbound 405, got a couple of lanes closed starting at Warner Avenue. Next report at 12:25 on KNX News 97.1 FM.
As high pressure builds, that will limit our night through morning low clouds. So we've got lots of 60s on the board, from low 60s in places like San Bernardino and Riverside to upper 60s in Santa Ana and Orange. The folks in downtown LA will be in the low 60s. We've got 66 at LAX, 59 at Camarillo, and low 60s in Oxnard. What's Southern California's most accurate and dependable forecast? I'm CBS 2 meteorologist Martina Brown, KNX News 97.1 FM.
West 66 degrees, Burbank at 68, in Torrance at 67, and Santa Ana at 67 at 12:17. The number of follow home and targeted street robberies is dropping in LA as an LAPD task force continues to arrest South LA gang members who've been hitting victims in homes on the west side, the Valley, and Central City areas.
In a report to the LA Police Commission, Robbery Homicide Division Captain Jonathan Tippett says the 19-person follow home robbery task force has handled 308 major crimes in the last 10 months, serving over 400 warrants and arresting 113 people tied to 22 South LA gangs. Tippett says they've seen between a 50 to 60% drop in these crimes, largely due to a change in investigative tactics and cooperation with the DA's office to charge those arrested with multiple indictments and crime enhancement counts.
I think the change of our methods and how we conduct our investigations, immediately going after one or two individuals after they've been tried, has led us to other individuals rather than prolonging the investigations. We're going for immediate apprehension.
The task force is also using surveillance teams, cameras in high-risk areas, and other means, and plans to continue those tactics as the holiday and shopping seasons begin. At LAPD headquarters, Pete Demetrio, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
After an unusual delay, the man charged with assaulting comedian Dave Chappelle appears in court. He has an excuse for Monday's absence.
The public defender who's representing Isaiah Lee told the judge that Lee takes his court appearances very seriously. Says that he didn't show up yesterday because he was sick.
It may have been noted as a refusal. Mr. Lee still is not feeling that great. He does have an appointment with a doctor.
After that was handled, the prosecutor with the LA City Attorney's Office told the judge Lee's attorney has been dragging his feet in responding to discovery requests.
close to 100 items of evidence, including video. The people have not received any discovery from the defense.
The judge did tell the defense to step on it when it comes to providing discovery. Everybody's back in court October 27th. Lee's attorney says that on that day he'll be filing a motion